Welcome to Moyo Tented Camp here in the Serengeti Central region near Seronera. This is a great mid-range option when you come to Serengeti on your safari. It's in a natural corridor where there's so much wildlife around, and you can do your game drives in the morning, come back, have a rest and lunch, go in the afternoon, or grab your picnic lunch and go all day long. This is a great option on safari goers that have more of a budget. So come with us, we're going to take you on a little tour and show you a few of the areas that are offered here at Moyo Tented Camp. As you can see, every standard camp room is very spacious. In fact, they can hold up to 4 people in each of these camp rooms. A big area for the bathroom, warm water always by solar heated panels. The lounge and the restaurant are actually combined in this area, so they are limited with areas where you can sit and relax. However, everything's on a deck with a veranda, so the views are absolutely beautiful. And while we were just having lunch, we saw the buffalo just right near the restaurant. We hope you enjoyed learning a little bit more about the Moyo Tented Camp. We hope that you'll consider it when you come on your safari to the Serengeti National Park.